Hi, I'm Karin. Welcome to my kitchen. It's Saturday, it's the weekend, it's time to celebrate. So I'm preparing for you today some keto chocolate ice cream. And this is one of the special treats that I make for myself on the keto diet that feels like total indulgence. And I mean, let's be honest, it is, but it's completely sugar-free, low carb, and delicious. So I hope you enjoy. All right, here are our ingredients to make keto chocolate ice cream. First ingredient is coconut milk, full fat. This is absolutely the best I have found on the market. I order it online on Amazon. It is excellent as a coffee creamer. The texture is amazing, 100% great on this guy. So the first ingredients that go in is the coconut milk. We've got cocoa powder here and psyllium husk. So that's all gonna go in to the saucepan. And then we've got whipping cream, vanilla extract, salt, and the sweetener. And the sweetener goes in to cook all together. And we're gonna whip the cream and fold it in. So I'll show you how it goes. All right, so I've got coconut milk, cocoa, sweetener, and psyllium husk in there. I'm gonna add a little salt just because to make it good. And then gonna just cook this until it's dissolved and chill it in the fridge to add to the whipped cream. So as you can see, I've whipped the cream to soft peaks with a little vanilla, and now I'm going to fold in the chocolate mixture. All right, I'm going to add this chilled chocolate mix in. Ooh. And just fold it right in. All right, that's looking nice and incorporated. And you can actually throw this right into the freezer as is, no churn, but I am not so patient, so I'm gonna put it into my ice cream maker. All right, so I put the entire folded mixture into the ice cream maker, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on until probably take about 15 or 20 minutes. All right, and there you have it. So here's your finished product. It's delicious, it's sugar-free, it's totally keto compliant, and you can stick it, right now it's kind of like frosty consistency. I'm just gonna stick it in the freezer for a little while longer, but you could absolutely eat it like this, like soft serve, milkshake, whatever, if you'd like.